What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and it is 34 degrees outside today. However, we just got our foundation put in on our dream home. In this video, we're gonna go and show you the entire finished foundation and give you a little bit of a walkthrough of what we're going to put in each space of this new foundation. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name's Chandler Smith, and I've been investing in real estate for the last 8 years, and I'm super excited because we're just getting started on building our dream home. Now, what's really cool about this home is it will be completely paid for with passive income created through the 114 rental units that I own. Now, with all of that broken down, we're gonna go over and give you the full walkthrough of the property. But in order to do that, it is about 15 feet deep. Yeah. And so we're gonna need to bring this ladder and go find our way down into the hole so that we can give you the rundown on everything. What's worse, gloves or no gloves or wet gloves?
Okay.
One way to do it. I think the last time I used this glove, we went swimming.
1 hour later.
That'll work. No,
I'm not confident about that.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. You coming too?
Yeah.
You just want to see if it works first.
Yeah.
Toss my phone.
Yeah. Really cold.
All right. Okay, let's go. We got to go in over here. Oh, first of all, here, I got to show you guys this. So, we already went down the ladder, but this is going to be the indoor swimming pool. So we're going to have big doors out there that go into the backyard, big doors out there that go into the back area. And then these right there will be the stairs. Oh, Maddie, we're not gonna be able to get over here. I thought that connected. So there are stairs right here that go down into another door over there, but you're stuck in there, love.
I could shimmy down over there.
That's the long way. So this is the indoor swimming pool. We'll go see if we can get in the other way. So stairs will come down from here. So you've got the swimming pool there, and then stairs will go down on the other side of this wall here. So we're still technically in the swimming pool area. Up here, we're gonna have windows that look down because the basketball court is on the other side. You've got this all waterproofed already. So none of this is actual house. This is all the exterior of the foundation. Yep. All right. So down in here, you can see they've got a dugout. Over here is going to be a movie room with different levels. This is going to be a guest bedroom. And then all of this area with this natural light is going to be kind of a hangout. So we'll have a little kitchen area back over here. We'll have the nice lighting where we have that dugout, and we'll have a safe over in there, which is actually kind of cool. It's all concrete. Wow, it's cold. Coke comes with the place, just the can. So this is general living area. Then we're going to have a bathroom and storage over here, and then another cold storage back in here. And then the wall will probably be right here. And this is gonna be another bedroom. That's gonna be like a bunkhouse area for when my sales reps come to stay. And so this again is the living area. Right here at this wall, we'll have a little kitchenette thing on this side. But then on this side is where we're gonna have a gym. So this will all be gym. This will be a little hallway. And when I say gym, that'll be like a workout area. And from right here, we're gonna have the glass wall so that you can see in the gym into the basketball court. So all of this area in here will be a basketball court. It's a professional half court here, and then more of a mini full court from here to here. So if you come over here, what we did is we added in all of this extra storage underneath our garage. So this will be the size of our garage, but there's gonna be a slab of concrete right there so that we can have a bunch of storage under here. I think eventually I wanna add like a golf simulator. Your thoughts? Perfect. Sounds like a deal. And then this is probably my favorite part of the house because you've got the pool up there, you've got the basketball court here, but then this is gonna be a lounge for my sales reps. So we're gonna have a TV up on that wall. We'll have another little kitchen area along the side. Behind the kitchen area, there will be washer and dryer, and then 2 bathrooms over here. But then this will just be a hangout with 2 double glass doors. And that way you can come down, we'll have lockers on the wall, we'll have bathrooms to get ready. You can either go into the basketball court or you can come in here. This is where we thought we were gonna be able to get in originally. You can go up where stairs are gonna be right here, and then the pool is gonna be up there. So the ladder, we got in just right on the other side of this wall. What do you think, Matt?
I can't wait to see what it looks like when it's not all just concrete.
Your voice is a little shaky.
I know, it's really cool.
So that's a quick little tour. One thing, as we've thought about it, we're probably not gonna show that much more of the exterior. We'd like to keep somewhat of our lives confidential as we do this. And I also want you to know the reason that I make videos like this is for me, when I saw other people build their dream homes or, you know, get their dream cars or whatever it is, it was a huge motivation. So I really hope showing you this process is a big motivation. If not, just skip any videos on the home. But if you guys enjoy it, let me know in the comments. Let me know if you've got any questions, and make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell. And we're gonna go warm up. So thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the future videos.